After a few years of iterations, the Iris has been given a new life in its compact edition. Step 1. Your Iris CE will arrive in its carrying case partially assembled for safe travel. Unscrew your switch plate from the tray.
It should be tight.
Now, remove the pour-on. It's the floppy bit. This foam material adds to the support and the feel of your keyboard. Step 2. Your tray should have all its feet installed, but we are 3 humans doing assembly here at Keebio. Check that all your feet are installed. If not, we have included some spare feet for your build. Step 3. If you have the polycarbonate case instead of the aluminum case, check for cracks. We can swap out your tray for one without cracks if you happen to spot one we have missed. Knit lines are normal for PC, it's just remnants of the creation process. Step 4. Now is a great time to check your PCB. Plug it into your local USB-C cable and watch your rainbows dance. Step 1. Before adding your switches, lay your pour-on on your PCB and line it up with the gold-plated holes in the PCB. Step 2. Then add your switch plate on top of the pour-on. This may take some tweaking to keep aligned, so be patient. Take your time. Step 3. Add your switches in the corners to start, as it will keep things better aligned. Step 4. Now add the rest. You'll get this delightful snap as things come together. Step 1. Place your plate assembly into the tray. Step 2. Add screws to each of the holes and screw them in. Warning: do not over-tighten your screws. You will damage your polycarbonate case if you over-tighten. Step 3. Add keycaps for razzle-dazzle and pizzazz. To remap or reprogram your board, use VIA. VIA is a browser-based application now, so you can jump into Google Chrome and navigate to caniusevia.com to tinker with your key map. There are 2 methods for changing up your lighting. 1. VIA. All you need to do is go into the proper submenu and it'll be right there for your tinkering. 2. Press and hold Shift and lower. Continue to tap Shift if you just want to cycle through all the lighting modes and see what you fancy. Now you have all the tips and tricks you need to build, tinker with, and enjoy your Iris CE. Have fun!